What is up, everybody? Welcome back to another YouTube video. My name is Mike, full-time Amazon media seller, right? So I only sell the stinky books, CDs, DVDs on Amazon. That is my only job. That's all I do, 1,000 hours a week. We are outside of one of my places I like to talk about. We are outside of a pawn shop. So
I'm Rick Harrison, and this is my pawn shop.
I figured it'd be fitting if in this video, I only go to the pawn shop and I show you everything we got from the pawn shop in the wrap up, so you guys can kind of see why I make it a point to not go to the Goodwill and go to the pawn shops, because it's cheaper. They actually have a lot more inventory, better inventory. I love stinking pawn shops. I wish I had more around me. And yes, listen, some of these pawn shops, they're not in the nicest parts of town. They're not the nicest stores. But it's cheap and they got good quality stuff, which means I'm going. I don't care. Listen, I was born and raised in the ghetto.
In the ghetto, on the cold and gray Chicago moon, another little baby child is born in the ghetto, in the ghetto.
Yes, me driving a Lamborghini now, you wouldn't think that I was born and raised in Kensington, which is a neighborhood in Philadelphia. Back then, sure, it wasn't as bad as it is today, but I mean, listen, you treat people the way you want to be treated, you'll be A-okay. So we're going to go inside there. I'll record a little bit. I'm going to scan everything with my little R2-D2 scanner. Scally's going to tell me whether or not I'm buying it. If you're interested in making money selling media on Amazon, I got the best damn option for you. The best media selling group out there in the universe, $2.99 a month. We got weekly calls. You can ask any questions. We got a private Discord. If you're selling on Amazon, right? We do have a bunch of eBay sellers, the hard workers of the group, we like to call them. If you're selling on Amazon and you're using GoToLister, which is a listing software, you even get a discount on that for the lifetime of your subscription. The damn thing pays for itself. You literally get paid to be a part of the group. Anyways, I'm shutting up. It is the coldest day in 31 years in Pennsylvania. I think it got down to like -6 last night. And we got snow last week, so it's still snowy everywhere. But it don't pay the bills to sit around on my fat ass and do nothing. I actually got to get out here. The only way you find more is if you scan more. The only way you make more money is if you send more to Amazon. It's kind of foolproof, and it's crazy to me that I can make as much doing this silly business. But hey, I'm parked way out in the lot. I'm not even going to lie. Full disclosure. When I hit the stop record button, I'm going to get the closest damn spot to this pawn shop, because I'm probably going to have to carry out like 3 IKEA bags full, and I'm not walking the 3 miles in the 0-degree weather with the winds blowing. Nah. Let's go. We are back from the pawn shop. You can see this stack here next to me. We got 2 IKEA bags. We spent $90. DVDs, 25 cents. CDs, 25 cents. Blu-rays, 3 for $5. I mean, you're never going to get these prices at any thrift store. And I'm not even going to show you. We got 2 IKEA bags. I know I said I was going to show you everything. We ain't got time for that. But I am going to show you the ultimate Barney haul of all time, right? The greatest Barney haul of any reseller in the history of YouTube reselling. I'm going to show you all of the Barney DVDs that we got. Maybe not all of them, because there's like what? 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, 20, 22, 24, 26, 28, 30, 32, 34, 36 Barney DVDs at 4 for $1. We are into this stack for $9. Believe it or not, probably half of them are brand new sealed. Even the used ones will do really well. You guys will see here my Scoutly screen once we get rocking and rolling. So it's weird, right? Because I'm like, man, somebody pawned all their kids' Barney DVDs, then they probably gave them like a nickel a piece, and here I am, you know, scrounging them up to resell them for $20+ a piece when it's all said and done. Let me get my screen recorded. We're just gonna go through, and maybe we'll make my YouTube editor put up a different Barney GIF for every single one of these. I don't even know if there's 36 different Barney GIFs out there on the internet. So that's my challenge to him. I know he actually takes his time and makes these videos real nice for you all. So 36 Barney GIFs. He's gonna, well, you gotta say that. He's gonna take me forever. Oh, too bad. Let's go. Imagine with Barney. I forget, what was this guy's name, Deb? Riff. I never even knew about Riff. Riff's the yellow guy here. You got what? DJ, Barney, and Riff. Riff plays the saxophone. All right, let's get rocking and rolling. Brand new sealed, $14.10 profit. Now we got used. Round and round we go. I honestly kind of grew up on Barney. I had two younger sisters. I have two younger sisters. And yeah, Barney was on all the time. You see here, we got somebody trying to sell it for $80.70. This is probably $19.99. We'll make about 10 bucks after fees. Showtime with Barney. This one's brand new sealed. Some of these have like the weird barcode, so some of these probably won't show up, like this one. And I can't peel it off, so that one just stuck. Halloween Party. I should have bought a Barney costume specifically for this. Okay, perfect example. We're into this for a quarter. We're not going down to the $10 mark. This sells once a week. There's only 2 used FBA. New buy box is $15.82. We'll probably come in around $12.99. We'll make like $5 or $6. Fun on Wheels, only on DVD. Yet again, another one. There's no new FBA here. 3 people at $10.98. You don't have to compete with these bozos. $17.99 would make 10 bucks. We love our family. These actually include Valentine's Day cards. How sweet. Brand new seal. Let's see if this barcode works for us. It does. It's not pulling any sales score, but there might be multiple listings considering how high ranked this is. So you got to know what you're looking at, right? There's multiple listings for some of these DVDs. I'll take a second look. Either way, it's getting sent in, and we'll undercut that regardless. Celebrating around the world. $14.62, you make $7. Brand new seal. Happy, mad, silly, sad. Putting a face to feelings. Brand new, you're gonna make $11.50. We already made well back our $36 investment here into the Barney here. 2.2 million. This is not ranked, or it's not categorized. You see it says book down there, so we're gonna have to dive into this, find one that's actually a DVD and get it listed. Happy birthday, Barney. You're not going to get $80 for this. Fair value is $14.70. I'll probably do around $29.99. Maybe a little bit more, maybe a little bit less. We'll see what GoToLister, because it's got the built-in Keep It chart. I don't personally pay for Keep It. GoToLister's got it built in. That's another reason why I promote this software, because it's the one I use and it saves me the money of Keep It. So we'll see what that's going on, but it'll probably be like a $15 profit. Top 20 countdown. Not found. It's got that weird barcode over the back. Let's Make Music, $8.69 profit. Another one here is going to be a hard look up. Hi, I'm Riff. I think it's these ones that have the cards in the back. They're like limited edition ones, so it's whatever. And I guess this is the first one that Riff even... I didn't know about Riff till today. Brand new sealed, please and thank you, $14.40 profit. Sharing is caring. No new FBA. Only one sale. I think go around 20 bucks. This will sell pretty quick. Brand new sealed. $24.30 profit. That one alone basically pays for everything. Story Time with Barney. $18 profit. This is another one of those ones where you don't got to go down there. We're probably around a 1244 mark, make it around $5. This is a double pack. I didn't peel the sticker off the back, so guys won't see that one, I guess. Too bad. Brand new sealed, $23.40 profit. ABCs with Barney. Sing and Dance with Barney. Used buy box is $61.93. It's too high. I'm gonna be down $34.99. We'll make $24. Another covered barcode. Rip barcode. And listen, I know you're out there probably like, Mike, this is from your personal collection. So what if I like Barney? Ain't nothing wrong with liking Barney. The best of Barney. I'm going up here. I'm not going to be at $17.98. I don't know why this person is down competing with FBM. This will be $24.99. You make $12. Beach Party. We're going to be around $14.99. $14.99. 758 profit. Can you sing that song? Yet again, we'll probably go around the $14.99 mark here as well. You got to realize, these people we see here, 851, 852, they have no idea how to sell on Amazon. And unfortunately, anybody can start this business, and we're in competition with them. 742 profit. No new Super Singing Circus. I'll probably do $29.99 since there's no merchant or FBA new. Speaking of $29.99, this one will be there. $19.60 profit. Barney's at the zoo in that one. No FBA. $17.99 will make $10. Another barcode I didn't peel off. Barney's going to the zoo again. Barcode's blocking that one. Got a few left for the Barney wrap up. We'll probably be around a $15 mark, make $7.47. Barney on the road to learning, $8.17. Two more left. Barney's musical scrapbook. Probably get a little bit greedier here. Probably be closer to like $19.99, make around like $11, $12. And then the last Barney extravaganza we have is... This is how I feel. I feel great. Because that one's going to make us what? $12.60 profit. 36 Barney DVDs from one stop. You're never going to find this in a Goodwill, I promise you. And if you do, they're going to charge you at least $3 a piece. So I would be looking at spending $100 and something versus the measly 36 I spent. That doesn't include the other bag and a half IKEA bags full of DVDs and CDs I got from there. They even had books. I got them buried. But like a pawn shop has books, right? Star Wars, Obi-Wan Kenobi, video game guides, $1 a piece. Like they just want this stuff gone. So I make it a point to kind of rotate the pawn shops in, and this is the possibility of, you know, just trying something different, not just relying on the stinky Goodwill. So that's going to do it for the video. I appreciate you watching. Make sure to comment, like, and subscribe. I'm having a hard time speaking tonight. Stay tuned for more used Barney Boy videos. Bye-bye.